Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So this is a quick video on some smart sunglasses. Now these smart sunglasses will run you about $100, and they use what's called a bone technology. So basically there's some sensors right here on the sides of the glasses that touch your side of your face, and they vibrate, and that's where the sound comes from. Think about how the Xiaomi Mi Mix devices were that type of technology. So this is just using the bone that is in your head, and it vibrates, and you can make phone calls, listen to music. It is actually really sweet. So phone calls actually come across really clear, crystal clear and loud. But I've learned with the music and me testing this, the music is loud, but it could be louder. Yeah, I'm just gonna be honest. If you're in a quiet area, it's loud. So it's not like I'm playing music right now, and you guys won't be able to hear it because it's using the technology again to vibrate off of the side of my head and pump through to give me the sound to go to my ears. Very cool tech, folks. But if you're sitting next to someone, you could be listening to some music and they would never know. Now this kit does come with 3 different lenses. It comes with these shades, a clear set, and it's got the reflective, obviously, the little orange looking ones. But I really like this, right? I think this is cool tech. Just like I reviewed that helmet, that's cool tech. This is cool tech because these are actually really nice shades. They kind of remind you of Oakley's, but these are really nice. I'm literally listening to some music right now. I'll pause it though. But it's a good technology. You wouldn't want something like this to be too loud because then it might affect other people around you. But if you crank it up, the bass and everything, it kind of vibrates. It's a weird feeling. So I keep the volume at about 60%, and I found that that's perfect for me. Now, the quality of the phone call, it sounds like you're talking on a regular Bluetooth headset. I tested it out. It's a good look. There's nothing that I don't like about this technology. Now, when I said that the volume on the music player doesn't appear as loud, that's not a bad thing, because again, you don't want it to be too loud outside of you. Like right now, I'm checking my voicemail, and the quality of that is really nice. It's just enough. And when talking to people, they're gonna get all of your voice because, you know, the microphones that are on the glasses, but you're gonna hear them at just the right tone. And phone calls are really good with these glasses. So if you're driving down the street and you don't have Bluetooth in your car, something like this will be fantastic, as long as it's sunny out, obviously, or you live in a bright area, you know. And if it's not sunny out, you switch to the other clear lenses, and that's something that you can do full time if you wanted to. But I just think these shades, the black looks really sweet. So when I jumped at the opportunity to be able to review something like this, and now, some people are going to ask me, is it worth $100? You have to determine that in your own placing of the order. And I don't get any kickbacks or anything, but you determine what you think is worth something. And with these only being $100, I'm just kind of surprised that the quality is as good as it is. I see some reviews where they're saying they're not loud enough. Well, again, you don't want these to be too loud because then it'll disturb the person next to you. But at the same token, it is loud enough for you to hear and make phone calls and sit amongst people. So if you would plan on using these a lot, you definitely want to switch out and put the clear lenses in. And then you could wear these full time if you wanted to. Maybe I'll give you a follow-up later on to test out, to let you know how the battery is. But you know, other than that, folks, this is a good look. I really literally, they look really good, man. I mean, they look great. And I'm gonna leave them paired to my phone and continue to make phone calls with them and listen to some music, or you know, whatever I need to do. Obviously not in the house, but when I'm in the car, these are definitely going in the car, because my other shades, they're custom military shades that my wife got made for me with my Army logo and stuff like that. So I really don't like to wear those out much. But something like this, definitely gonna rock these in the car now, and pair to the phone and leave it that way. So when I'm making phone calls, I won't disturb anybody in the car if I don't need to. But this is cool tech 101, man. The bone structure, Bluetooth sunglasses. So they're calling them smart glasses, and I totally agree. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.